In this video, I will show you how easy it is to create your own DIY digital holiday or Christmas cards for free, which you can send to all your families and friends using Messenger, Viber, text, email, and other messaging app that you have for this upcoming holiday season. Hey guys, guess who's back? Finally, after a long time, I'm finally back and I can't wait because I have so much in store for you guys. If you've been following my vlog, you know that we've tried to get pregnant for a long time and we finally got pregnant, and now we do have twins, one boy, one girl, who have definitely kept me busy for the past months. That's why I wasn't able to post that much, but now I'm here and I'm so excited. I can't wait because I have so much in store for you guys. I still owe you guys a lot, like my life updates, my IVF updates, my twin mama life videos, my most requested videos on how I surprised everyone with a pregnancy after 7 years, and another video on how I surprised everyone that we were having twins. That's gonna be such a fun video. What else? More Zoom and Zoom games videos or DIY Canva how-to videos. By the way, I'm so glad that you guys enjoyed my Canva tutorial video on DIY invitations. It's this video right here. I believe it has helped more than 200,000 people already, and I'm glad that you guys found that helpful. That's also one of the reasons I created this video on Christmas cards. I thought that this is perfect for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments below which videos you want me to create more of so that I can happily create them for you. All I can say now is just for you to wait for the videos. Make sure you're subscribed and that you have the notification bell on so that you know which videos are coming out. But yeah, for now, let's go straight into the video. Alright, so let's start by going to our web browser. I have Google open right now. Let's change this to canva.com, one of my favorite go-to apps for editing. I love Canva because it's super straightforward. Everything's right here. As you can see, you have so much options in front of you. You can use the web browser, or you can also use an app if you want. Right now I have the app on my desktop too, as well as on my phone. Canva is free, but also you can upgrade to Canva Pro if you want for more features. But honestly, there's so much great designs already for the free account. You have all the options right here. We have the popular ones like the invitations, postcards, flyers, and all that other stuff right here. You just scroll to the right and you'll see more options. You can also click on these icons on top to get specifically which one you want to work on. So they have here like for presentation, social media, videos, and more. So I just clicked on more and you'll see all of these right here. But for now, we are focusing on creating our Christmas photo card or our holiday photo card. So up here at the search bar, you just type in what you're searching for. So for us, it's going to be Christmas photo cards or holiday photo cards. And once you press enter, it'll take you to the page full of super nice templates and designs. So here, let me scroll down a little bit just to show you and give you an idea of what they have right now. Of course, they have the pro designs, or the designs that you can get or you can use when you have a pro account. You'll know if it's pro when it says PRO there, of course, and it has that golden crown symbol. That's when you know that it's pro. It just means that it has elements in there that you have to pay for or that are not free. Some elements are free in pro accounts, but then all these designs include elements that aren't free. So either you replace them or you pay for the pro account. I also have another video that shows you how to create something that's similar to pro by replacing the pro photos and changing them into free photos instead, but coming up with, you know, the similar design also. So yeah, you can check that out also. I'll put that in the link below. So look at all these designs. Aren't they awesome? There's so much to choose from. Like, this can go on and on. But yeah, let's go straight to our design. I am going to pick this one right here. It looks so clean but elegant. If you click one template, it'll show you more templates that are similar, which now I think are better than the first one that I clicked. I think the only thing that takes time here when creating in Canva is choosing the design. I mean, everything's set up for you already, but there's just so many good options that you just want to look at all of them first before picking. So yeah, but let's go straight to our design. I think I'm just gonna pick this green one right here. To start designing, you just click on customize this template, and then it'll take you to this page where you will be editing. Everything that you can control is on the left side. If you want to see the other holiday cards for inspiration, or if you want to change it, just type in holiday photo cards again on this search bar right here. Basically, you can type anything that you need on that search bar. So here you go. Okay, now we can start editing. So as you can see, all the elements that are already here can be clicked, and they can be moved right, left, up, down, wherever you want. The size can be adjusted as well. Everything you need again is on the left side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload a photo, because of course we don't want to use some other people's photos. Okay, so I've uploaded a photo here already, but just to show you, you just click on upload files, and then it'll take you to all your files. You just pick the photo that you like. Let me see, let's upload one more photo, and you just click open, and then it'll upload it for you. So every time you need photos, you just come back to that upload button. But for now, we're going to use this one, our family photo that's already been uploaded. All you have to do is to just drag it to the card. And honestly, you can do this if you don't have to pick the design and all that. You can do this in less than 5 seconds. You see what I did there? I just uploaded the photo and just dragged it, and that's it. And you download. That's it. If you don't want to edit anymore, go ahead and download it, and it'll save on your computer or on your phone. I want to show you how you can improve this even more, because of course there's no names on this. So that's what I want to do, but there's no space at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is select all the designs and try to move them up so that I can insert our names at the bottom. Just to show you, you can click all elements at the same time. So just press the shift button on your keyboard and then just click on all the elements that you want to move. Then you simply drag them up or down or sidewards or wherever you want them. And then I'm gonna click on these right here at the bottom, the text. You can add text from the text icon on the left side again on your controls, but I think I'm gonna stick with these for now, and I'm just gonna move them up so there's space for our names. Now I'm gonna add some text at the bottom. So I'm gonna click on this T icon over on the left side. It says text, and of course here it'll show you all the different options again, but I'm just gonna add a subheading. Let's click that, and as you can see, it adds text right away in the middle. I'm gonna drag it down here and then change it to what it's supposed to be. So you can say from the Browns or from your whatever your last name is, but I think I'm just gonna put all of our names, which I'll do right now. There you go. I'm gonna make it small. You just make it small using that dot on the corner. Just drag it. And then we can change the font style by clicking this one on the upper left hand side. It says font. It'll give you all the font styles that are available. Again, there are pro ones and there are non-pro ones, but there's so many options. And I think we're just gonna do this one. There you go. I think that's cute. Let's make it smaller and then move it to the center. Now, to know if you put your element in the center, you will see this pink line in the middle. See that? That means we're at the center and we're good. So there you go. I think this turned out really good. I like how this one looks, so we're good with this. By the way, I forgot to mention, you can also adjust your photo. Like you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. Just right here on the left, the upper left side, you can see edit image, and you'll have options there on what you can do. And you have filters here too. You can change it to whatever filter you want, but I think I'm just gonna keep mine and leave it to none here on the upper left, because I've already edited my photo on my phone. Now to save the file, you can click on share on the upper right hand side or file on the upper left hand side and click download. And then on the right side, you'll see the file type. I will just choose PNG, but there are other file types like JPEG, PDF, or PDF print. So it shows you like what they're suggesting. So I think I'm just gonna go with PNG, and then we're gonna click on download. And there you go. there you have it. It's starting to download, and it's just gonna give you the option on where you want to save it. Let's save it on my desktop, PNG file. Let's change the name. Just change it to whatever you want. I think I'm just gonna put family Christmas card, and let's save. And there you go. We just have to wait for it to complete. I think this really turned out to be a great card for something that I just took on my phone. This photo was taken on my phone, by the way, with no photographers or anything. Just my phone and our handy dandy and cheap tripod. If you want videos on that, I can show you also. Just let me know in the comments down below. Let me show you the other options just so you see it on a bigger screen. So you can do these right here. This one's pretty also. This one looks elegant. This one looks a little bit minimalist, but super nice too. So again, everything is editable easily. This one has multiple photos. What we did was just a one photo card, but let me show you really quick how you do multiple photos. So it's exactly the same thing. This one right here is cute and it's a little brighter. Let's just change this to 2023. I just want to show you how quick this can be. Again, you can change this to your name or to your last name. Just change their last name and then click on uploads and then pick the photos that you want. Drag them in your card, and voila, we have another Christmas card. Look how pretty that is in just seconds. Let's just download and we're done. Here are other examples, but we can go on and on with this. But I hope you found this video helpful. I will create another video wherein I'll be using my mobile phone instead of the desktop, so you can check that out also if you want. I'll put all the links of all the other videos in the description box below. So there you go, that's it for this video. Again, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video and what videos you want me to create more of. So goodbye for now. All the links for other videos will be down in the description box below, together with all the links for my social media. Take care always. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Together, let's make happiness happen every day and live the lives we love. Take care.